This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Visual Studio Code versus Notepad++. We'll explore their core functionalities, feature sets, and performance characteristics to help you decide which editor best suits your needs. This comparison will highlight their strengths and weaknesses across various use cases, from simple text editing to complex software development. Get ready to dive deep into these popular tools. Visual Studio Code offers a rich, integrated development environment with tens of thousands of extensions, an integrated terminal, and robust debugging capabilities. Notepad++, on the other hand, excels as a lightweight text editor, providing essential features like syntax highlighting and basic search and replace. While Vscode is a full IDE experience, Notepad++ focuses on speed and simplicity for quick edits and scripting tasks. When it comes to performance, Notepad++ is incredibly fast, often launching in mere milliseconds and consuming only tens of megabytes of RAM. Visual Studio Code, being a more feature-rich application, typically takes a few seconds to start and can utilize hundreds of megabytes of memory, especially with many extensions. Your system's resources will play a significant role in your experience with each editor. For professional developers tackling large projects, requiring debugging, or needing extensive language support, Visual Studio Code is the clear choice. Its powerful ecosystem supports complex workflows. Conversely, if you need a quick, efficient tool for simple text manipulation, log file viewing, or basic scripting on a low-resource machine, Notepad++ is an excellent, nimble option. Choose based on your specific task and system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.